guys! Hey SMU fam! Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. Today I'm doing a stunning haul because it's been a while. We've done that and I'm back with the Shein haul because you guys seem to love it. Also my new episode series on my Instagram which is called SMU in Seconds. I changed the name because it makes more sense now. But that has been getting a lot of good response. और मैं काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो पहनती हूँ वो Shein से होती हैं. And everybody keeps asking me, Sakshi, we can't ever find the pieces you find on Shein. What do we do? What do we do? So I keep coming back with such hauls because I love creating these and I know you love watching them. Let's get started. The first product is this really cute salmon pink color cape which has a scallop ending. मुझे ये personally बहुत पसंद आया because you guys know what I feel about capes or outerwear or denim jackets or any kind of jackets. Basically a lot of days when I feel bloated and मुझे कुछ भी without sleeves पहनना होता है, I can just throw this on and it's a really good material. The thing is I always end up buying some things from plus size because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वहाँ की quality थोड़ी सी better है. Then next is this bohemian dress. I love it. The only thing I would probably change about this dress is the fact that it is in polyester. Material के अलावा I wouldn't change anything about this dress. It's very flattering on my body and fits perfectly. The next piece of clothing that I got was this top. It's a formal top, really nice color. As you can see, I'm getting a little bit obsessed with pink lately. But I'm really into high neck tops. I think they just look a lot more sophisticated. And ये चीज़ अगर आप Zara पे लेने जाओगे तो of course आपको इसको double the price या triple the price भरना पड़ेगा. The next piece of clothing that I got was this very schoolgirl black dress. Just is a nice dress. It's a basic dress. इसको एक बहुत ही अच्छी बेल्ट के साथ मैं pair up करूँगी. I actually got another belt from Shein. It's like in a pink salmon pink color, pale pink color. That's kind of the theme of the haul right now. My feels regarding quad sets. I think nothing can beat quad sets. I mean, this is the biggest, the best trend there ever is for 2018 and 2019. And I got this quad set with shorts and a without sleeves outerwear. The only thing is, ये थोड़ा सा heavy है, which is good. अगर मैं winters में लेती तो that was good. But I was expecting क्योंकि Shein की maximum चीज़ें बहुत ही lightweight होती हैं तो मुझे लगा ये भी lightweight आएगा. But no, जब हम expect करते हैं कि quality थोड़ी सी poor होगी तब quality बहुत ही अच्छी होती है. And this is what I got. You know you love a dress when you get an exact same dress in another color. I got it in another pink color. I have this in black but it fits so nice. मुझे लगा कि भाई अगर मैं एक ड्रेस में इन्वेस्ट कर ही रही हूँ जो इतनी ग्रेट फिटिंग है उसको पिंक में भी ले लेना चाहिए. Ooh la la, another black piece. Now this is a peplum top that I got from Shein. It comes with a skirt, so it almost looks like it's a dress, like with a peplum top, but it's actually two pieces, which is great. I love when website shows you something different and then you get something which is even better, which is a skirt and a top. तो मैं top jeans के साथ भी पहन सकती हूँ, lows के साथ भी पहन सकती हूँ, skirt के साथ कोई और top पहन सकती हूँ. So yes, multi-purpose. Next thing that I got, I know मेरा rack आधा खाली होवे जा रहा है because मैं वहीं से चीज़ें निकाल के आपको दिखा रही हूँ. But the next thing that I got was this skirt. Like I told you, I always size up on Shein. So I end up going to my tailor क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा waist size उनका कम करना पड़ता है. Foreign websites के साथ ऐसा है कि जब भी I order something in lowers, मुझे वेस्ट से बहुत बड़ा आता है अगर I size up and थाई से फिट आ जाता है. और अगर मैं वेस्ट से फिट करूँगी तो थाई से बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट होगा. इसलिए I always size up और फिर मैं टेलर से वेस्ट कम करवा लेती हूँ. And that's exactly what this skirt was about. I love me some mom jeans. Another sized up टेलर से वेस्ट कम करवाई है. थोड़ी सी फिटिंग में प्रॉब्लम है but still really cute mom jeans. Decent quality, not the best in quality, decent quality. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ऐसा similar चीज़ हमें सरोजनी से भी मिल सकती थी. But anyway, sufficient amount of rips. Honestly जब रिप्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं तो मुझे हमेशा 10 मिलियन लोग हमें आसपास बोलेंगे कि क्या फटी फुटाई जीन पहनाए हो. So yeah, these are like decent rips. Talking about repeating what you got, I literally have the exact same quad piece in red color and I got it in royal blue because जब मैंने वो पहना था तब मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा compliments मिले थे और मुझे लगा it's completely worth it and it's completely justifiable. अगर मैं दूसरा कलर ले आती हूँ, guys, do not judge. Guess who's finally going to Goa? I am finally going. You know, Goa is that one destination जो हम इतना plan करते हैं, सारा साल plan करेंगे, friends मिलके गोवा जाएंगे and कभी नहीं होता realistically. So yeah, I am finally going, and I'm so excited for this. I would probably in Goa by the time you're watching this or something along those lines. Stay tuned to my Instagram to follow more. I love this oversized cotton. I'm so happy that this is cotton because it's rare to find cotton, like pura cotton on Shein. Super oversized. बाप रे, इस ड्रेस के पीछे मुझे इतने कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले थे. I actually wore it for Fashion Week and people were like left, right and center मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिल रहे थे कि where did you get this dress? Where did you get this dress? And I'm like, you wouldn't want to know. I got it from a designer, by the way. So yeah, there are some pieces on Shein which are very much like designer pieces. So you just have to look out for it, and this dress is definitely one of them. It's slightly see through. इसके नीचे मैंने तो लियोटार्ड पहना था, पर आप कुछ भी पहन सकते हो, इनर पहन सकते हो, नीचे शॉर्ट्स पहन लो, या फिर यू नो बॉडी टकर, जैसे टमी टकर होता है वैसे बॉडी टकर्स और शेप वेयर्स, that's the word I was looking for, shape wears पहन लो, and it's going to be just fine. The next in line is this checkered print बोलेंगे इसको, क्या जो भी है, black and white print dress. It has like some really cute colors. Just a nice fitting, loose fitting dress, which is an essential for summer wear because ain't nobody gonna try to put me in jeans or trousers or anything which will make me sweat. I literally stay in maxis and dresses all throughout summer, and you'll see me wearing this a tons. Next thing that I got was this mustard color shirt. I wish इसका जो बटन था, बटन है ही नहीं. Oops. जब भी कोई चीज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा oversized होती है ना, तब मुझे ऐसे ही लगता है कि there is a chance to crop it. I'm gonna crop it and it will look 10 times cuter. Trust me, anything cropped with high-waisted and a belt looks 10 times cuter. But I got this bottle green dress. Again, polyester material. मतलब polyester, I don't know what is with Shein. हर चीज़ polyester होती है. But I wouldn't complain because I don't care. I'm wearing polyester right now. I don't care. But yeah, थोड़ा सा summers में difficulty हो जाती है polyester में. But other than that, this dress is goals, guys. If you're going out for a very fancy event or a very fancy dinner, this is it for you. I got me another dress, this time in a hot pink color. I love hot pink. On days when I'm like, today is my day, today is Sakshi's day, that's when I want to wear a color like this. Somebody who's my body type, go for V-necks. I'm telling you, the deeper the V, the better it's going to suit you. I like me some blazer. I thought this was super stylish. Half mustard, half black. It's a blazer dress. It's not a blazer. You'll have to wear it with just like that, or with a waist belt, or with shorts and a spaghetti. मेरा clothing rack कितना भरा हुआ था और अब कितना खाली हो गया है. But this is the last piece. I'm literally saving the best for the last. Yellow is a happy color, guys. Yellow is a happy color. Whenever you're in a sad mood, wear yellow, and I'm telling you, mood बिल्कुल switch हो जाएगा. And it just fits really nicely. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि outerwear में ना लेंथ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है और इसकी लेंथ परफेक्ट लेवल पे एंड करती है. द लास्ट टू सुपर अडोरेबल पीसेस दैट आई गॉट वर दीज पेयर ऑफ इयररिंग्स. पैक्ड हैं, खोलना पड़ेगा, बट दीज आर रियली नाइस, लाइक मार्बल इयररिंग्स. अगेन थोड़ा सा हिंट ऑफ पिंक है, लुक सुपर क्लासी, सुपर क्यूट. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अ पिंक बेल्ट. आई टोल्ड यू आई गॉट अ salmon pink belt, which is also super cute. I love, guys, it's not even funny, I love broad belts. And yeah, with that being said, I finished my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. अगर आपने किया तो जल्दी से hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join the family of Style Me Up with Sakshi, hit the notification bell so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. If you fancy, you can also go follow me on my Instagram. It's just at Style Me Up with Sakshi. I'm posting a new OOTD every single day. A new OOTD video, like I'm also giving some sort of like fashion advice or styling tips and stuff like that. You guys will really enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.